Okay, your girl did it. I am a sucker for the vehicle giveaways on Instagram, and I had to go and buy myself a t-shirt to get in for the Evo. But can you really blame me? I mean, it's an Evo, and the shirt's pretty cool. But I just got it, and so I wanted to unbox it with you. Ooh! Oh, we got stickers. We got an 80Eighty sticker. Gift card. See? See? It could have been a pretty car. Another sticker. Another postcard. Okay. This is my favorite. Save the manuals. I have never driven anything. I'm not voluntarily driven anything other than a manual. So, you know, if nothing else, it's going to be a garage car. So, a garage shirt. Okay, bye.